Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition, life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So today's video I'm bringing you my first experiment with the Carnivore Angel's recipe for cinnamon buns, or how she calls it, Cinna-BOMBs. So let's look at how to make them. So for this recipe you're going to need 1 cup of liquid egg whites, some she calls for allulose. I put erythritol because I don't have any allulose, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, half a cup of egg white powder, some dry active yeast, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, salt, and half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. You're going to find all these ingredients in the description below. As per usual, we whip up the egg whites, and then I added all of the powders I pre-mixed in a bowl. I forgot to mention, so in the original recipe she puts 5 egg yolks. I instead put 1 tablespoon of whole egg powder. Whole egg powder is an ingredient I've been experimenting a lot lately, and yeah, so I didn't want to separate 5 eggs, so just out of convenience I use whole egg powder. To make the cinnamon buns or Cinna-BOMBs, I use this ice cream scoop, which is quickly becoming the new trend in the protein sparing world. It's such a genius idea. My ice cream scoop is actually a tad too small for this, so I am going to get a bigger one because it makes the buns really nice and tidy. So the filling is made by half cup of butter, which needs to be soft, 4 tablespoons of sweetener, which she uses brown swerve, I just use normal erythritol, a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and then mix it really well, and then add this like gooey, cinnamony deliciousness to all the buns I had left over, so I did both in the middle and on top. I then baked it at 325 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. If you wish to frost the cinnamon buns, you can do that by adding some cream cheese and butter. I'm gonna leave you the original recipe for the frosting below, but I didn't make it as per recipe. I just had some cream cheese and I didn't have much butter, so I just put like 2 tablespoons and some stevia. So I didn't make the whole thing. You then microwave it to make it runny, but yeah, I was very pleased with these cinnamon buns. They're really yummy. I definitely need to improve on the recipe. I think the allulose would make a big difference. I'm now strongly considering paying the cost of buying it you can buy it from a website, so this is definitely on my to-do list to get some allulose because I think it makes such a difference. And yeah, overall amazing recipe. Thank you Carnivore Angels for this also new trick with this ice cream scoop. All the protein everyone in the protein sparing world is trying it, so it's definitely a trend, so give it a go. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, share it with your friends and family, consider to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.